ay papás. Aprieta el culito ahí, que eso es pura gasolina. Mami, mami, me acaban de chocar. Mami,
Ay, ¿cómo así? Ay, ¿qué hubo?
me acaban de
Pero,
chocar.
mira, bendito sea Dios.
Ma, mami, mi hija. Mami, ma.
Speeding on the road is not just a reckless act, it's a gamble with lives, including your own, your loved ones, and the innocent people around you. When drivers ignore safety measures and push their limits, the consequences can be catastrophic. A single moment of high-speed impact can shatter families, leaving behind grief, regret, and irreparable loss. Lives are cut short, and the ripple effect devastates countless others. Safety isn't just a personal choice, it's a responsibility to every person sharing the road. By slowing down and respecting safety measures, you're protecting lives, including your own.